Okay. Okay. Hi, Amira. You hungry? Yeah? Where are you going? Yeah, are you going to go get your food? What are you doing? Where'd you go? Hey! Amira, where are you going? You going to go get your food? Where are you going? Come here. Yeah, come here. Come here, baby. It's okay. Oh, honey. I love you. Amira, look at me. Food? Come here. Come here. I got something for you. Look at. Want this? Okay, I love you. Get kisses? Get kisses? Oh. You get kisses? Oh. Okay, kisses to my hand? Good kisses. Thank you. Okay, I love you. Bye-bye.